54 days until Yukon River Quest 2026. What I'm doing today is these are the Front Runner Pro Canoe and Kayak Carriers. Let's see if we can get that in focus. And I'm replacing the pads. So this is a spare pad set, and the part number is RRAC 138. So after 5 years of using these, this is what they end up looking like, and the pads will start to break down. And so what I'm looking at is replacing the pads. This is the new one, this is the old one. You get a pair of them, but a pair only covers one V-bar, and when you buy the kit you get two V-bars, the Stratch-its, the tie downs, along with the tie down loops. So that's what comes in the kit. All I'm doing is replacing these pads. You can see this has got a cut in it, a tear in it. Not too hard to do. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. I'm also going to be replacing the hardware. You can see it's getting rusted out. So I've got brand new black bolts. These are M8 by 20 and grade 8/8. Then I'm replaced with stainless steel Nyloc nuts, and those are going to go in here because you can see they get rusted out. I don't have the hardware to replace this, but I'm going to definitely replace these. This is what holds it down to the bar. This is what a finished one looks like. Try and do this without making too much noise. Basically, you just come in here and unvelcro it. Pull that out. Take this one and pull it out. Then you got three more to do. One's there. It's got the little slots for it to fit in right here. Do a better camera angle on it. So you got three of these. And then the last one. And then there's the pad. So I'm just going to do a reverse order with this. Takes about 2 minutes to do. And the main thing is just to get it tucked under all the bars so it doesn't get hung up on anything. This is actually a tie down point. If you want it to be when you come over the top, you can hook here, but I typically hook it to the circular tie down rings that come with it. So that's it for the Front Runner Pro Canoe and Kayak Carrier spare pads. This is a pair of them. Get them to replace the hardware, and these are going to be centered on the roof rack going down right here. I'll put two on the first rack and two on the rear rack and mount the kayak and start paddling again today. Yukon River Quest 2026.